Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my pan palette and my rolling potted pan update, and I think this is the update number 4, I think. I cannot remember. So today we are going to jump into the product, and yeah, I have done okay this time around. Nothing great or spectacular, and I don't have any empty or anything, but I do have some progress on my product, and that makes me happy. And for new, hi. My name is Sandra, and I would love to have you around and be a part of the Syppli fam. So I will be very happy if you will hit subscribe down there. So first up, we're going to talk the palette, and the palette I'm panning right now is this one. This is my, I'm so sorry, my Sauvea Camo Melange palette, and I told you in the last update, I think it was, I was a little bit sick of it, and I don't want to use it, and I don't like it right now and anything. So I decided to take a break from it, and I did. And maybe about 3 weeks into April, I decided to use it a little bit again, and I have not regret that at all. But I'm going to show you how my palette looks like the last time. And this is how it looks like right now. As you can see, I don't have any new pan at all. Not at all, but I do have some great progress. I have some progress on wax paper. Yeah, I'm such a dog at names and remember it, so that makes me really happy. I can remember wax paper now, so that is progress. And then we have some other progress. I do have some progress on this one. I cannot remember what that was. That is Aftertaste. This really gorgeous vibrant orange, deep orange shade. This is such a pretty shade, and I have some pretty good dip in this one. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit so you can see everything more close up, but for now I'm just going to do this. And then we have the 182 degrees. I do have some progress on this one as well. I really look forward to pan in this one, because I just want a pan in this one. And then I have some progress on Start Soft and a little bit in Finish Sensual. So mostly in these 4 I have some progress, and a little bit more in Universal Delight. Just expand the pan a tiny bit. So I'm just going to zoom in so you can see it. So I don't know if you can tell, but I'm just trying to find an angle that works. Maybe right here or something. As you can see, this dip right here and this dip over here. I don't know if you can tell. Oh yeah, right there. There you can tell it. And this one have a little bit more progress, and these 2 down here. So yeah, this is how it looks like right now. So as you can see, I don't have any new pan, but I think I will have a pan for next time. So my goal is to hit pan in 182 degrees right here. And then I would like to have some more progress on Start Soft right here. And I think I can do that because I'm using this shade in conjunction with another product that in my rolling potted pan. I'm going to show you that in a minute. But hopefully I can hit pan in this shade. And if I have some dip in Start Soft, that will make me really happy. So that was this palette, and now we're moving on to my rolling potted pan items. So I have found a new way to display my rolling potted pan items, and that is in this one. I have the whole section right here, and I do have it in the bottom here, so I have all my potted pans items in this one, because it's really easy to find and to grab them instead of they're rolling in a box or in a drawer or something. So I really like to have it like this, and hopefully I can get some more use out of them now. But first up, we're going to talk about the product that don't have any progress at all, and then I'm going to show you the product that have progress. This one. Yeah. I don't have any progress on this one because I have not used this one single time in the whole April. This is the Ghost Pigment in the shade Rose Gold, and this is such a beautiful rosy golden shade. I love this shade, but I don't use it. And I have tried to press them into a pan, but that pan was really hard to press it in. And when I tried to do it, I can maybe show you how it looks like. Yeah, we have one here. This is Butterfly, I think, and I've tried to press it into this pan, and some of you suggested to use oil for this or something like that, or a binder or something, so I did that. And this is hard like rock. You cannot get anything out of this, so I don't know if I have done anything wrong, but This does not help at all, so this one is just going into the trash because I cannot use a hard eyeshadow. So I don't know how to use this up because I really want to have it in a pressed version, but clearly I cannot find out how to do it because I'm just making my eyeshadow hard instead of creamy and really easy to apply. So yeah, please let me know how to do it. I live in Denmark, so keep that in mind. We don't have a huge selection of binder and all that kind of stuff to make your own eyeshadow. So just be aware of that, please. But if you have any link or something for Amazon or eBay or anything, just anything, leave it down below because then I can see if they can ship to Denmark or not. Because I really want to have this in a pressed version, but I cannot do it by myself, as you can see. This one. I have not used this either, and this looks like this. Yeah, this is the MAC Pearl Creamy Eyeshadow or something, and I really like this shade, but I have been reaching for another eyelid primer right now, so that is why I have forgot this. But I really want to get back on track with using this one because I'm almost done, really almost done. There's not a hole left in this one, so I just want to have it out of this project, so I'm going to set a goal for this one. I'm going to use half of this before next month or next update. And after that I'm going to throw it out because I don't know how old it is anymore. I think about 2 years now. So yeah, next update this is going out of this project and I really hope I can maybe use half of it. Ooh, I just almost dropped it. The half of this I want to use up because then I know I have my money worth out of this one. So next up we're going to talk this one. This is my L'Oreal Color Rich oh my god, this is, stop being confusing. Nej is no in Danish, I'm so sorry, but this is, okay, we're going to try again. This is the L'Oreal lipstick in the shade Magnetic Coral. But this is a really stunning magnetic vibrant coral shade and I love this one. This is right there, as you can see. This is really vibrant and I really like the shade, but I don't reach for this and I don't know why, because I love this shade and this is so fun and so spring and summery. I really like it. But I think I will try to use this one with my eye look I have on today, just to have some progress on it. So I think I will set a goal for this one for my next update. I am around here and I have marked this on the cap, so I don't have it on the paper, but I think I will try to use it down to here or something. Yeah, I will try that and then we will see how it goes, and if I'm not using this one at all, I'm going to take it out of this project because this one is maybe 2 or 3 years old, maybe more, I don't know. But it still smells fine and nothing is wrong with it. It doesn't burn or hurt my lips or anything, so I'm not concerned, but yeah, I need to work on this one, I really do. Next up is going to be this one, and this is the Gosh Forever eyeshadow stick in the shade 06 Plum. And I have actually used this maybe twice, I think. And I'm just going to swatch it for you really quickly so you can see how it looks like. This is the shade right here. This is such a stunning dark purple color with lots of silver glitter in it. I love this one. This is so pretty, as intense smoky eyes or something. And this one has some progress. And I don't know if you can tell, but right here, this line up here is my start line for April when I pull this in, and this one down here is my update. So I have used this maybe 2 or 3 millimeters, but I have used this, so this is perfect. So I'm really happy to see some progress on this one, and I think this kind of product is going really fast if you're using it constantly. So I'm trying to reach for this maybe 1 or twice a week so I can use it up, because I really like the shade, but I'm not into dark purple smoky eyes in the spring and summertime, if you can feel me on that. But I will try to find a way to use it because I really like it. Then we got this one. I'm so happy about this one because I have used this so much and I can see some progress on this every single month, so that makes me so happy. But I just want it out, okay? I really want it out because I'm only using this for work. Just to moisturize and give my lips a little bit of shine, but not too much. So this is the Dior lip gloss in the shade 333. I cannot see a name down here, can I? No, only 333. And yeah, I'm down to here now. Yay! I'm almost halfway on this one. I really hope if I can use this as I do now, I can maybe use it up in 2 months. So my goal is to have this out of this project before August. Yeah, you know what I mean, yeah. This is going to be my plan for this one because I really like it and I really want to use it up. So finger crossed I can do that. Finally but not least, we got the item I'm using with my Sevilla palette, the Start Soft eyeshadow, and that is this one. This is my Elizabeth Arden Bronze eyeliner, and I really like this one. It looks like this. This is one of my favorite eyeliner to wear, and this is such a stunning color. It's a more bronzy brown shade. And the reason why I love this one is because you can smudge it out. This is not too creamy but not too hard, so you can actually smudge it out. And then I'm putting Start Soft eyeshadow on top. And that's it. I have it on today just as a smoky eyeliner, and that's it. I freaking love this one. Yeah, I think I will go out and find something similar or buy some of these again, because I really like this creamy formula, because it's not too creamy but it's not too hard. So it was really great for smoky eyes or lining smoky eyes. And then we have the progress, and I do have it on the paper here. So yeah, right here. This is the start, and now I'm down to here. So I know this is not a great progress considering how much I love it, but I think I can use this up in maybe 3 months. Yeah, I think we have a lot to go in this one. A lot, like really a lot. But I really like it, and this is so easy and so quick to throw on in the last line and then just smudge it out. As you can see, I have quite a bit in this one, but I really like it. I do reach for this several times a week, and I think I will try to use this as a base one day and then put Start Soft and, where are you? Yeah, 182 degrees on top, just to see how it looks, because I think that would be a perfect or pretty combination. What do you think? Do you think that would be pretty? I'm going to try that, and I'm just going to show you in the next update how it looks like if I really like it. So that was it. That was it for my rolling potted pan and my Panda palette update. And I have been thinking about putting some more product in my rolling potted pan, but I don't know if I want to, because I'm a little bit afraid of getting too many eyeshadow or too many lip product, and I don't know what I'm getting. So I don't know. What do you think about that idea? Should I put maybe 2 more product in my rolling potted pan just to try to work my way through my product? I have a whole bin full with product I need to use up before 2018 ends. So I'm a little bit stressed right now because I really need to have some progress on all of them, but I don't know if I want to put some more product in, or maybe I can select some product I select by myself and not by the random.org. Let me know down below what you think of that idea. Maybe that could be an idea. I know I have some foundation and some BB creams I really want to use up. I only have 1 or 2 of them, so let me know down below what you think of that idea. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget I love you, and then I will see you in my next video. Bye.